Sometimes, background images can make text difficult to read, like this example here. As you can see, the text isn't very clear because of the background image. Now, we'll show you a simple technique to make the text more visible. First, we'll copy the slide, select the background image, and paste it to create a duplicate. Then, we'll send the duplicate image to the back. Next, select the image, go to Format Picture, and add a blur effect. We'll increase the blur radius to around 40 or 45, I'll set it to 40. After that, we'll adjust the brightness of the image slightly to make the text pop even more. Now, we'll select the text and adjust its position to fit perfectly on the background. Finally, we'll group the text with the background image. Then, we'll apply a fade effect, setting it to start after previous. Let's take a look at the result. Here's the original, and here's the updated version. As you can see, the text is now much clearer and easier to read. This technique is especially useful when you have a busy background image, ensuring your viewers can read the text effortlessly.